Picture this, you just started trading forex and things seems to be working out for you perfectly well, and all of a sudden your account balance begins to plummet. You start losing money left and right. Trust me, you're not alone here. And most new traders unknowingly make a handful of critical mistakes that wipe out their entire money. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the 5 biggest mistakes that drain your account, and most importantly, to avoid them to keep your account growing. Now, mistake number 1, which is believing in everything you see online. Trust me, when I was starting off as a trader, I also fell victim for this. I started up with a company. They recruited me. I didn't know initially that it was just digital marketing. They were just recruiting people. So I started off with a lifestyle that I was supposed to get money real quick, build up my accounts. In the space of 30 days, I'm already going to be the next big thing in the financial market. That was the idea I had starting off coming into the market. So I was looking at what people were saying online and what I was seeing, and the stacks I was seeing online. There was easy profit online. It's easy to come online and sell people dreams and goals. So I was online and I was seeing this kind of things that people were doing online. So it was easy for me to believe everything I was seeing online, and it took a huge turn for me. So most of the money I've saved up, because initially I never started with demo trading, I was all live. So most of the money I've saved up from businesses I have done in the past, I put them in the financial markets, hoping to grow my account real fast and real quick within a short time. And trust me, in that short time, it's turned drastically for me, and I end up losing a lot of money, which affected me psychologically and the way I traded. Because for the last 5 or 4 years, I was trading based on what I was seeing online and people I was following online. I didn't have a set process or a trading process where I can use and develop myself over time. I was just going in, and I kept losing until I discovered lack of trading plan. I didn't have a trading plan for the first 1, 2, 3, 4 years of my trading career. I had nothing about trading plan. I just had a strategy. I was trading. I just placed random trades. Although the strategy I was trading on was a good one, but there was no direction of what I wanted for myself. There was no plan. There was no a routine. There was no schedule. I didn't have what I was looking to achieve in the market each day, not based on money wise, just based on the plan, having a set process of coming into the market, having a plan of what I want to do from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. I'm this kind of person. I don't believe in setting a money goal in forex or having a money goal plan in forex. It's a good thing, and if you can break it, which is good, but I don't believe in having that kind of goal. I believe in having a process which you can follow in, because it's hard. Now, forex is one of the easiest, hardest way to make money, because it has to do with your mindset. And once you master the way you think, the way you set process, everything that comes in and out, that's the way you respond to your chart. When you open your charts in the morning, I believe you should have a set analysis for the day, the setup you're looking at, your trading bias, what you're looking for, your execution, and your targets. This is what I mean by trading plan. Now, most traders that just come into the market, most new traders, they don't have a trading plan. I was talking to someone the other day, and he showed me his P&L and the entire trade for the day. And I noticed that he had already placed about 14 trades for that exact day. And I was wondering why. Asking me a question, how can I get better? How can you get better when you literally place 14 trades a day in a single pair? Like, how? So you need to have a set goal. How many trades are you going to place a day? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Just have a plan. Have a setup. Have a trading strategy that works for you, that which works with your plan. Now, which leads me to jumping from strategy to strategy. New traders fall victim of this a lot, especially when they go through YouTube, like my videos. Probably you see my video, and this is how I was when I was starting on, because I was self-learned. I learned from YouTube. Most of my videos I learned were from YouTube, which took me longer time to get to this level. I've been in the trading industry for over 5 years, and I've been profitable for 2. But the process would have been faster if I had a mentor that I've stick to and learned his exact strategy and process. But instead, I was moving from one strategy to another. Once I just see it doesn't work after 5 or 6 trades, I jump out, start looking for the next big thing that could work for me and that could make me money. So I was falling victim for this. I kept falling victim multiple times. I kept making several mistakes on my trading charts, on my trading results. It was giving me a bad PNL, which affected everything. So at the point, I felt like giving up. Most traders give up way too soon, way too soon, when they feel like this is not working for them. Yes, I understand trading is not for everyone. You need to build yourself psychologically, mentally, for you to be able to make this work for you. And it took me years for me to understand that trading is a process and it's something you do for later and not now. So I developed myself to understand the process of trading, which took me several times, several attempts, but eventually I found what worked for me. If I had given up too soon or too early, I would have discovered that this was the style that worked for me. This was the pattern that worked for me. Now I've done swing trading, I've done intraday trading, I've done all kind of trading, but I discovered that the one that suited me the most and best for the way I am, the way I'm built, was scalping. I was okay with scalping. I was okay in staying in the market for a certain period of time and leaving in a certain period of time. Discovered this from true trial and errors and discovering myself. That's how I noticed that this was the strategy that worked best for me. This was the years I spent doing try and error for me to get to this exact spot of finding my own thing and the thing that best suits the kind of person I am, which leads me to emotional trading. Yes, I understand that we all hate losing money. Even to date, I still fall victim to this emotional trading. Now, most of the time, I can get into a trade that I feel like it's supposed to go a certain way and I end up losing the money and I start getting emotional about it, that I wanted to enter back or try to make back the money I lost. The reason this happened to me is anytime I double my risks, looking to risk more than I'm supposed to in a certain trade that I feel like it's supposed to go my way and end up not going my way, I become emotional about it and it started reflecting on my chart. Most of the time, you see new traders start to overtrade, place multiple trades, start going, just trying to make the money they have lost. For you to actually work your way through this and able to control your emotions, this leads me to having a trading plan. You need to have a plan that you can work on and you can stay consistent to. And I'll give you a bonus tips. Keep notes of every trade you place. Now, this is basically journaling. You need to journal every trade you place, from your entry, from your exit, from the time you place the trade, from the time you're looking to get out, how you are reacting on the trade. You need to take note of every single thing you're doing, because when you do this for at least 100 trades and you go over that's your journal and look at every reason and every trades you place, you will see what works and what doesn't work. Now, this will narrow down the kind of entry and time you should be coming to the charts to look for trades. These are the 5 major mistakes most new trader makes on how to avoid them. If you want to dive deeper on trading and learn more on how you can master your emotions, master yourself as a trader, and learn a good strategy that can make you consistent money, you can join my free community by clicking the link below, where I discuss my strategy, my insights, my analysis, so it can help you grow as a trader. And as always, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell so you don't miss out on any great video coming out next. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.